पाठः सुभाषितानि. We are learning some good sayings in this lesson. Today let us continue with another two shlokas. Amantram aksharam nasti nasti moolam anaushadham ayogyah purushah nasti yojakas tatra durlabhah. Amantram aksharam na asti na अस्ति मूलम अनौषधम अयोग्यः पुरुषः न अस्ति योजकः तत्र दुर्लभः. Here in this sloka they are explaining the usefulness of each and every thing in this world. Poet says that each and every material, people or whoever it may be, are useful in this world. There is nothing useless, but we need to know how to use all these things properly. Amantram aksharam nasti. Amantram means meaningless. Aksharam nasti, there is no letter, means any letter or any word in any language is meaningless. Each and everything has meanings in this world. And nasti moolam anaushadam. Moolam means root. So there is no root which is not medicine. Aushadam means medicine. Anaushadam means which is not medicine. That means therefore all roots are medicine in this world. Ayogyah purushah nasti. There is no person who is useless. Each and every one in this world has their own capacity and qualities. Therefore, we can't call anyone useless. But yojakas tatra durlabha. But it's very difficult to get the person to recognize the qualities of each and every one and everything. So we need to learn to understand the qualities and use accordingly. Amantram aksharam na asti, anaushadam moolam na asti, अयोग्यः पुरुषः नास्ति तत्र योजकः दुर्लभः. There is no letter without meaning. There is no root which is not medicine. There is no person who is useless. But it is very difficult to get person, one who can recognize the qualities. Amantram meaningless, aksharam letter, na not, anaushadham which is not medicine, moolam root, ayogyah useless person, purushah person, tatra there, yojakah recognizer, durlabah difficult. Sampattau cha vipattau cha mahatam ekarupata udaye savita rakto रक्तश्चास्तमये तथा. संपत्तौ च विपत्तौ च महतां एकरूपता उदये सविता रक्तः रक्तः च अस्तमये तथा. Here quality of great people explained. Poet here says that great people always behave equally, even during their comfort and even during their difficulties. When they are in comfortable life, also they behave equally with everyone, and when they are in difficulties, also they behave equally. We can see Rama in Ramayana. He behaved in same manner when his father Dasharatha asked him to be a king of Ayodhya, and same way he behaved when his father asked him to go to forest after leaving everything. So like this, let us see the meaning of this shloka. Sampattau, at the time of comfort, and vipattau cha, and at the time of difficulties. Mahatam ekarupata, mahatam of great people, ekarupata, their behavior is same. For that they are giving one example here. Udaye savita raktaha, raktascha astamaye tatha. Savita means sun. We can see sun in red color during Udaye, during his sunrise, as well as Astamaye at the time of setting. Both the time we can see him in red color. So when during the rise and during the setting, rising and falling, both the time he looks alike. Therefore, Sampattau and Vipattau, in both the time he looks same manner. Same way, great people behave equally in all the situations. Mahatam Sampattau cha Vipattau cha Ekarupata bhavati. Yata Savita Udaye Raktaha bhavati तथा एव अस्तमये च रक्तः भवति. Good people behave equally during their happiness and difficulties. Sun looks in red color during his rise and set. Mahatam, of great people. Sampattau, at the time of comfort. Ekarupata, uniformity. Yatha, how. Savita, sun. Udaye, at rise. Raktaha, red. Tatha eva, same way. Astamaye, at sunset.